Welcome to the world of mathematics. Today we will see class 7, chapter 1, large number around. Let us go according to the topic, a lakh variety. What is that lakh variety? Let us see. Ishwarappa is a farmer in Chintamani, a town, Karnataka. He visits the market regularly to buy seeds for his rice field. During one such visit, he overheard a conversation between Ramana and Lakshamma. Ramana said earlier, so Ishwarappa is a farmer. So where in Chintamani in Karnataka. Chintamani is a place in Karnataka, and he goes to the market to buy seeds for his rice field. Okay, so he heard a conversation between Ramana and Lakshamma. So Ramana said earlier our country had about a lakh varieties of rice. So there was a huge amount of rice in our country in the earlier days. Farmers used to preserve different varieties of seeds and use them to grow rice. So farmers used to preserve. So there were different types of varieties of seeds and they used to grow the rice. So we have not one variety of rice, we have huge amount of varieties of rice. Now we only have a handful variety. Okay. So that means now we have only very few varieties. Okay. Also farmers have to come to the market to buy the seeds. Lakshma said there is a seed bank near my house. So far they have collected about a hundred hundred indigenous varieties of rice seeds from different places. You can also buy seeds from there. Next, you may have heard the word lakh before. So have you heard of lakh? You know how big is 1 lakh? Okay, let us try to find it out. How big is 1 lakh? Ishwarappa shared this incident with his daughter Roxy and Istu. So Roxy is his daughter and son is Istu. So Ishwarappa shared this incident, the conversation between Ramana and Lakshma, between this daughter Roxy and Istu. So Istu was surprised to know that there were about 1 lakh varieties of rice in this country. He wondered 1 lakh. So far, I have tasted only three varieties. He has tasted only three varieties of each. So has tasted only three varieties of rice. But there are 1 lakh varieties of rice. If we try to, if we tried a new variety each day, then we would have come close to tasting all the varieties in lifetime of 100 years. What do you think? I think this is correct, right? So let us see this. But how much is 1 lakh? How much is 1 lakh? Let us see, observe the pattern and fill in the boxes. So the largest three-digit number is 999. The smallest four-digit number is, you need to add 1 to the largest three-digit number. So this is 1000. Similarly, largest four-digit number is or 4 times 9. 9999. The smallest five-digit number is obtained by adding 1 to this 9999. Total is 10,000. Now, how do we get this 1 lakh? Yes, so it is 99,999, which is the largest five-digit number. Now, 99,995. Now, let us go according to the sequence. So, what will the next number be? 99,997 plus 1. You're going to add 1. Add 1 over here. 99,999. Again, plus 1. 1 lakh. Again, observe this pattern. You're going to add 1. 1 lakh 1. Again, add 1. 1 lakh 2. Again, add 1. 1 lakh 3. Again, add 1. 1 lakh 4. And it goes on. Roxy and Iftu found that if they ate one variety of rice a day, they would come now here close, nowhere closer to a lakh in lifetime. Okay. Roxy suggests, what if we ate two varieties of rice every day? So even if the Roxy and Easto decided, even if they ate one variety of rice every day, they would not reach the 1 lakh. So if they ate two varieties of rice, then would they be able to eat 1 lakh varieties of rice in 100 years? Okay, let us try to figure this out. What if a person ate three varieties of rice every day? Will they be able to taste all the lakh varieties in a 100-year lifetime? So let us see. Eastwood said, we know how many days are there in a year? 365. If we ignore the leap year. So leap year, leap year means how many days? 366 days. So they are ignoring these leap years. They are ignoring these leap years. So they will consider only the normal year. So it is 365 days per year. So if you live for Y years, number of days in our lifetime will be. So suppose if we live for around say, so choose a number for Y. How close to 1 lakh is the number of days in Y years? So for the Y of your choice. So what will happen? You need to choose a number Y. Okay. So that when you multiply with this 365, you will get closer to nearly 1 lakh. So what will be that 5 years? Okay, let us try. Supposing you consider around 80. Okay, let us see. 365 into 80. 365 into 80. So you put the 0 as it is. 8 5 are 40. 8 6 are 48 plus 4. 2. 8 3 are 24 plus 5. 29. So you cannot reach. So how about multiplying? Just consider a figure about y is equal to 99. So if you want to live for about 99 years, so 365 into 99. So how will you multiply this? You can use this 9 into 11, 365 into 9, 9 5 are 45, 9 6 are 54 plus 4 is 38, 9 3 are 27 plus 5 is 32, multiply by 11, 1 5 are 5, 1 8 are 1 2 are 1 3 are 1 5 are 1 2, 1 8 are 8, 1 2 are 2, 1 3 are. So we cannot near to 1 lakh, or whichever maximum years we consider. We get 36,135. So if we ignore leap years, we live for Y years, then the number of days in our lifetime will be 365 into Y. Okay. So even if we take about Y is 99 years, we cannot close to 1 lakh. Okay. Next, let us see this, figure it out. According to the 2011 census, the population of the town of Chintamani was about 75,000. How much less than 1 lakh is 75,000? So you have to subtract 75,000 from 1 lakh. So you will get 25,000. Now the estimated population of Chintamani in the year 2024 is 1 lakh 6,000. How much more than 1 lakh is 1 lakh 6,000? So you have to subtract 1 lakh from 1 lakh 6,000. So 6,000. By how much did the population of Chintamani increase from 2011 to 2024? From 2011 to 2024, how much did it increase? So you need to check that. So you have to subtract 75,000 from 1 lakh 6,000. So 1 lakh 6,000 minus 75,000. So you'll get it as 31,000. So the population of Chintamani increased. The difference is the population of Chintamani was 31,000 more than that in 2011. Okay. So by how much did the population of Chintamani increase from 2011 to 2024? So the answer is 31,000. That is the concept of this. Okay.